What's up, everybody? Hopefully I'm in the shot. I believe I am. Pardon for the mess. I have this truck here I'm still working on, so hopefully finish that up tomorrow and then clear out this garage. But figured I'd make this review since this thing came in today. ICECO new fridge. I currently have a VL35 with an upgraded additional lip, which gives me to be a VL45, and this is a VL45. So essentially I should be in the same fridge. I was gonna go with a VL60 from ICECO, but unfortunately it just could not fit into my truck. So we went with a VL45. They sent me this out. If you do want to buy one, use code OTRookie on their website. Save you some money. Let's get to cracking. Open this thing up. Alright, so where were we? Unboxing. Got your trusty old tough built. So start slicing this thing up. And I don't know if you're familiar. I mean, if you're familiar with my channel, you know I talk about ICECO quite a bit and their fridges. I've had their old VL35, which is an older style fridge. The what's it called? The controls and whatnot, they're up here on top. On this one, I believe they're on the side here or on this side. And like I said, ICECO sent me out my first fridge before. I've had it for 2-3 years. Still works absolutely great. You can turn down your temperature. It will keep your meat frozen. And in summer, I will leave my fridge on in the truck. And you know how hot it gets in the truck with my truck off. And, you know, 2-3 days, maybe even 4 at home, it will keep that temperature at what you set it at. And I will come back, my truck will still fire up, so it does not drain the battery. It is good, very good with the battery life. I know this is some ugly opening, but that is just how I am. So let's get to popping here. Pop that off. I got these off. Definitely got some weight to it. I know the FedEx guy had a dolly bringing it in. Hopefully the lighting and everything is good. I'm doing my best to have some pretty good lighting and pretty good audio in here. As usual, some styrofoam packaging. And you're gonna slide off your plastic wrap. And looks like this is like some composite plastic, but it feels like metal, so it might be metal. But this thing is heavy, so pop this out. And the nice thing is they kind of leave an area empty around the fridge, so it's very easy to grab it. Like your handles, just pop them up. That side, that side. And then you can just grab your fridge. And boom. And the handles have springs. That's nice. Let's push this aside. There's nothing else left in the box. In all its glory. Let's make sure the angle is good on the camera. It's getting it. We're still good. There it is in its glory. Looks like the controls are here on the side. Let me just bring you closer. Go. So your controls are right here. Your minimum, maximum, your temperature settings, battery protection. You can set essentially when you want this fridge to kick off. And then here, you're gonna have your AC and your DC power, which this is what I'm gonna be using. And the nice thing is the fuse is right here. It's very, very accessible. And like I said, they have these handles, which do have a spring in them, which is really nice. And this thing is built solid, like let me tell you. I like these corner protectors right here. It is really nice. And it's a really good size. Like I said, I really wanted a VL60 really, really bad. And they were willing to send me a VL60, but it's just too big for my Classic. I think if you have a Volvo or something, or if you can fit it the other way, it would definitely work. But in my truck with the setup I had, it just was way too big. So let's pop this thing out. Got these nice old metal latches, same as on my VL35, and pop this thing open. That is nice. And this opens all the way so you can grab everything you need. And the nice thing is with this model is you can kind of put your more accessible things that you need more often here, and then you can put your meat and stuff on the bottom down there. And then in here, I'm assuming, let's pop this open. In here, you're gonna have your VL45 manual, and you're gonna have your AC and your DC power cords. So this is gonna be a power cord for your truck, and then this is gonna be a power cord for your house, which actually we can just plug this up right now, show you what it runs like. But yeah, as I was saying, the nice thing is these baskets, especially when you're cleaning out the fridge, you can take these baskets out, or if you need to reach something, take these baskets out, grab whatever you need, reorganize it, see where it's at. And then this here is the temperature sensor. Throw your basket back in. That's it. Same for this one. That's it. And also the basket, I think the thing with the basket is it helps the air circulate in the fridge, whereas if you put food directly on these walls, it would be harder, if that makes sense. And also there's a nice LED light here. There's your model info. They do have a 5-year warranty on the compressor. Let's plug this thing in and show you what it's about. That is sweet that now they involve a light, 'cause sometimes I'll get up in the middle of the night and try to grab something out without turning the lights on, and I'm assuming they do shut off. Yep. And then on the side here you got your on off. Let's see, maybe hold it. There we go. And you would set that to where the compressor kick in. I usually keep mine at 30. Compressor just kicked in. Compressor speed is at maximum. Or minimum, I'm not even sure what that does, but we'll keep it at maximum of what it was. And that's it. That's pretty much it as far as the fridge goes. Hopefully lasts me a few years like the other one did, because I was very, very happy. And then another thing on top, ICECO is going to be sending me out a new slide for this fridge, and I'm going to build a new cabinet for this fridge in my truck with some drawers on top. Really, really excited. That's it. Hopefully y'all like the video. Got my studio set up here, you know, got a light there, got a light there. Anyways, hopefully you like the video, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. But hopefully we'll be making more content on this thing, and catch you on the next one. Later.